In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or edit a sent email from Hotmail or Outlook in just 5 minutes. We all know the momentary panic that sets in when you realize you've sent an email with a typo, wrong attachment, or to an incorrect recipient. Fortunately, Outlook provides a feature that allows you to act quickly and undo your sent email. Let's dive into the steps you can take to remedy this situation swiftly. First, you'll need to log into your Outlook account. Head over to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Outlook homepage. This is where the magic begins. Next, you're going to want to locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a small gear symbol at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find various options, but our focus is on the Mail section. Click that to proceed. Once you're in the mail settings, look for the Compose and Reply tab. Clicking on this will open up a series of options relevant to the composition and handling of your emails. This is a crucial step, as adjusting the settings here will enable the Undo Send feature. Now direct your attention to the Undo Send option. This feature allows you to recall an email within a specific time frame after it's been sent, providing you with a valuable window of opportunity to correct any mistakes. Click on Undo Send, and you'll be given the option to set the recall duration, usually ranging from 5 to 10 seconds. Choose the time that suits you best. This recall capability can become a real lifesaver, not only for preventing errors, but also for maintaining professionalism in your communications. Remember, it's always good to double check your email settings periodically to ensure they align with your preferences and needs. Few things to keep in mind. If you have sent an email and wish to undo it within the chosen time frame, you will see an option to recall it at the bottom of the screen after clicking send. Should you miss this window, unfortunately the email will have already been delivered to its recipient. In such cases, it's wise to follow up with a correcting email if necessary. And there you have it, a simple yet highly effective way to manage your sent emails on Outlook. By setting up this feature, you can significantly reduce the chances of miscommunication or sending unintended messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our insightful tutorials to master your digital toolbox.